So tired trying to see from behind the red in my eyes.
You're finally home and you're about to chill out. Are you excited about the chilling?
I am, yeah, exactly. I don't know how to chill out anymore. So it's kind of this awful guilty feeling of like, you know, should I be doing something? But yeah, I'm loving it.
So what is the plan? Are you gonna stay with your parents? Are you gonna look for your own place?
I think, I don't know. I've spent a few days catching up with folks. I have made no plans for this year, so I think I'm gonna have to look into something long term and maybe travel. I really want to travel the world as well.
It's also a little bit embarrassing that you still live at home with your parents.
I know it's so not rock and roll, but like, you know, yeah.
But the last but the last few years have been rock and roll, so
Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, so now it's tea and time with the mammy.
Just good, I never felt young. She's gonna save me, call me baby, run her hands through my hair.
has it been just a constant momentum that's kind of gradually kept the same pace, or has there been moments where it just went whoa?
Definitely around in the early days as well too. It kind of, at times I was kind of felt like the cart was before the horse.
Yeah.
But Take Me to Church was kind of taken off in a very, very fast way, and I was on, you know, American TV before I knew it, you know what I mean? And it was freaky, it was scary.
Take me to church, I worship like a dog at the shrine of your life. I'll tell you my sins so you can sharpen your knife.
There was some fantastic kind of things that just worked, that just connected, and we just found it would pop up one country after another. The song just kind of took on and became hits.
Actually, it was interesting. Even the States kind of took it on, you know, sooner than a lot of other territories that you might have thought. Even in the UK, it kind of, you know, went and was like later in the charts, and then it just rose and rose and rose.
Yeah, and that's, I think for a lot of artists, it's kind of the first stop is trying to see if you can secure a market in the UK. And
you're like, no, just taking over the world.
Yeah, and it was weird. It was only when things were kicking off in America that actually UK was like, oh wow, this guy's like, you know what I mean? So it was this, I don't know. I know people spend their lives trying to break America, so I was really, really lucky in that, you know.
Hard and fast and angry as she can be. I walk my days on a wire.
And we have to talk about the latest single, Cherry Wine. And you got Saoirse Ronan obviously involved with the music video. Initially, the song is written about domestic violence, but domestic violence towards men. And in the video, it's kind of swapped around. So why did you decide to do that?
I suppose the song was written long before, you know, before we had any decisions to actually make it as part of a campaign for raising awareness for domestic violence. And it was just a song that I had written from a male perspective about being in an abusive relationship and the kind of justification that you put on elements of abuse, and when love endures through an abusive episode, which it often does. And so, you know, we had a potential, we had a platform to do something positive with it, and Dervla Walsh, the director, had a beautiful vision for the video, and I think it was important as well to make sure that we were capturing both sides of it.
With the arm of her brother.
When would you hope that we will kind of start seeing you again? I know you deserve a holiday. It's an awful thing for me to say, but
I wouldn't want to leave it too long. I think, you know, I can't. If I start making promises now, I'll you know. But hopefully early 2017, or I'd love to be out there for the summer 2017, like to hit that festival circuit.
Brilliant.
But we'll see.
Well, we really look forward to it, and thank you so much for taking the time to
Absolute
chat to us.
legend.
You're a very busy man, so thank you.
Thank you very much.
And sweet as cherry wine.